and I welcome you all to Master French with Sniti, and I hope that you all have understood the chapter number 1, which is Les Salutations, when I explained it to you on my other playlist. If you haven't, then do go there. So in this chapter we are basically going to see the overview of the most important topic in this chapter, on which it is based on. So it is the type of conversation, and we are going to understand it with the help of some examples, and then we are going to do the question answers as I told you. So let us start with it, but first let us understand what is the meaning of the chapter's name. The name of the chapter is Les Salutations, and its meaning is the salutation. So as you guess from it, that in this chapter we are going to learn all about the salutations, such as how to say hello, how to greet people, and different kind of salutations. And here is a face, that smiley face, that is saying bonjour, which is hello. So let's go on to the next. So here we are at the first but the most important topic of this chapter, and that is the types of conversation. So just like in English, French also has two types of conversation, and those are conversation informelle and the second one is conversation formelle. So what is the difference between them? This is the informal conversation and this is the formal conversation. So here are two examples given to you, and they both mean the same. So let us read them one by one. Salut, comment ça va? Bonjour, comment allez-vous? So what is the meaning of these? The meaning is hello, how are you? But just the little difference is that makes it very big is the type of conversation. Here it is informal and here it is formal. So I have illustrated two pictures here. One is, let's suppose this girl or this person to be you and this to be your friend, and let's suppose this to be you and let's suppose it to be your grandfather. So as you can guess from the images, that informal conversation are spoken to friends or family members, and the formal conversation are spoken to adults or several persons. So that was it. Now coming on to the question answers, let's go. So here we are with the question number 1 and question number 2. So in the first question, we need to complete the dialogues as given here. Completez le dialogue. So as you remember that at the end of the chapter, there is a table named Apprenant is given, in which all the new words are given to us. So if you need any meaning of everything what I have written, then you can go in there and see it from there. So when there are two persons, person A and person B, they are having a conversation. A says bonjour, B replies comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Sniti. Et toi, which means I am Sniti and you. So let B be my friend. Je m'appelle Vaishnavi. Au revoir, à tout à l'heure. Then B also replies au revoir, à bientôt. Now this was the question number 1. Going to the question number 2, which is donner les mots français, in which we need to give the French words for all the English words that are written here. So the first one is hello. In French it is known as salut. Good night is bonne nuit. Goodbye is au revoir. Fine, thank you is ça va bien, merci. How are you is comment allez-vous, and it is said to an adult, so it would be formal here. And see you tomorrow, it is à demain. What is your name to an adult, so it is formal. Comment vous appelez-vous? Good evening, bonsoir. What is your name to a friend, so it is informal. Comment tu t'appelles? So that was all for the question number 1 and 2. Now going to the question number 3 and 4. So here we are with the question number 3 and question number 4. In the question number 3, we need to unjumble these words. So retrouver les mots. The first one is TLASU, and in particular it is known as salut, as you can guess. Now ROBJNOU, the words resemble bonjour. IRMCE is merci. VROIE ER, then with a gap, AU is au revoir. ENNOB, IUNT is bonne nuit. Now going to the question number 4, trouvez les réponses. The first one is comment tu t'appelles. It means what is your name. So je m'appelle, and you can write your name. So as my name is Sniti, I'll write here Sniti. The next one is comment allez-vous, which means comment allez-vous means how are you. So ça va bien, and you can also add merci, it's your choice. So that was it for question 3 and 4. Now let us go on to the question 5. So here we are with the question number 5 and question number 6. In question number 5, we need to put these unjumbled sentences into order. So mettez le dialogue en ordre. So here are some sentences written. The first one is the name of a woman, which is Julie Legrand. Then bonjour madame, bonjour monsieur, vous vous appelez comment? Je m'appelle Christophe Morin. Et vous madame, and you madam. So here I'll tell you the meaning. This is a name. Then it is saying good morning sir, good morning ma'am. What is your name? I am Christophe Morin. And you madam? So here the first one will come as the sixth sentence, the second one will come as the first sentence, the third one as the second, the fourth one as the third one, and the fifth sentence as the fourth one. Now the last sentence will come as the fifth one. Now going to the question number 6, which is écoutez et dites si c'est une question ou une affirmation. So here I have written Q and A. Q denotes for question and A denotes for affirmation. The meaning of the question is that listen and tell that if the sentence is a question or an affirmation. So it is the part A, the part 1 is Q, the part 2 is A, the part 3 is also A, the part 4 is Q, and the part 5 is A. Now going to the part B of question number 6, let's go. So here we are with the part B of question number 6 and the question number 7. So let us read it. Écoutez et répétez ces phrases, devinez le son, which means listen and repeat the phrases and then guess the meaning. So here are the phrases which are written here, and then we need to guess the meaning. The first one is Elle s'appelle Sandrine. So the meaning of this sentence is her name is Sandrine. Then Elle est française. So what do we mean by that? She is French. Ça va is are you fine? Ça va is I am fine. Il s'appelle Jacques. So his name is Jacques. Now coming to the question number 7, which is complétez en utilisant les propres autocollants pour ces expressions, which means complete by utilizing the stickers. At the end of this book, the stickers are given to us and we need to paste them here in the correct expressions. So here if you will see in the book, then there is a box made. Below them these sentences or expressions are written. You need to sticker that rematches with the expression. So the first one is merci beaucoup, and that is thank you. Then comes s'il vous plaît papa, and that is please papa. Then comes enchanté. Enchanté is delighted. Désolé mama is sorry mama. Then de rien, je t'en prie means it's nothing, I forgive you. Excusez-moi monsieur, which means excuse me sir. Now going to the question number 8, let's go. So here we are at the last question of this chapter, and that is question number 8. Choisez l'intrus, which means choose the odd one out. Here are some words given to us and we need to choose the odd one out, and these words have occurred so many times, so you know their meaning, but still I will tell it to you. First one, bonjour, good morning or hello. A bientôt, have a see you soon. Salut is hello. Enchanté is delighted. So here it is the odd one out. Merci is thank you. De rien is it's nothing. S'il te plaît is please. Au revoir is goodbye. So here au revoir is the odd one out. The third one is ça va, which is fine. Salut is hello. Comme si comme ça is so so. Pas mal is not bad. So salut here is the odd one out. Now coming to the fourth one, it is bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Au revoir is goodbye. Bonjour is have a good day. Bonjour is good morning. Now monsieur is Mr. but it is in plural. Mesdames is Mrs. but it is in plural. Madame is Mrs. but it is in singular. Mademoiselle is Miss but it is in plural. So here Madame will be the odd one out. And that was all for this chapter, and here we have completed and successfully completed the question answers. So everyone must be happy now, and this cute smiley is also happy. You might be happy that it is the end, but no problem. Coming up with the new chapter, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day. But before going, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.